Okay, so another example of a set of exercises that can be done back to back to challenge your cardiovascular system. Let's say you can do some push-ups. Let's say you start here. Doing your push-ups, do your required amount. After you get about maybe 10 or 15, let's do what you can do. Okay? When you're done, grab your dumbbell, do a set of rows. Okay, you do required amount on this side, and you switch over to the other side. Coming in here, do the bridge exercise. Okay, then do the required amount. Remember, you can do any variation of the bridge exercise. Remember, we had the straight leg bridge that we could do as well. And when you're done there, next up here, then we do some straight leg raises. Okay, do the required amount. And let's say you get innovative. Let's say you want to do some kickbacks. Okay, so you do your required amount. And if you want to do some neck exercises too as well, that's fine. So again, I just want to dispel the myth that resistance training cannot be used to train the cardiovascular system. Actually, it can. You just need to have a proper cycle of exercises that you can do.